Can we find deleted messages on iPhone? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are answering a common question. Can you find deleted messages on your iPhone? So let's break it down. First, if you have accidentally deleted messages on your iPhone, there are ways to recover them, but it depends on how they were deleted and what backups you have. First, open your Messages app and go to the recently deleted folder. This is a new feature on iOS 16 and later. If your deleted messages are here, you can easily recover them within 30 days. Next, recover from an iCloud backup. If the messages aren't in recently deleted, you might still be able to get them back if you have an iCloud backup. Go to Settings, then tap on General and select Reset and choose Erase all content and settings. Then restore from your most recent backup, but be aware this will revert all data to that backup point. Next, contact your carrier. In some cases, your carrier may have records of your messages. Contacting them might be worth a try, though not all carriers provide this service. And that's it. While there are some ways to recover deleted messages, it's best to keep regular backups if your messages are important. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.